What's up, guys? So welcome back into another video. So we are just going to do your adjustment there. Just put in your rectangle. So work on the gradient, adjust it. So just going to be very simplified design. Yeah, if you are starting up in design, so this is another perfect way you can be able to level up your skills. So I just trying to do something like stuff here like cosmetics and those things, salon. Those is evolved. So if you are working with all these people online and then someone actually message you and tell you that okay, it's time for you to design for me a flyer, and I need to be really catchy. I want a lot of people to be involved in it. So you'll be able to like work on it and then do that. So I just imported the logo as you can see right now. So I'm just going to change the color to fit in the background. I'm going to be using gradient. So just try to work on your gradient color, and then you can see the way I did it. So I'm not going to log this, adjust it again. So if you are trying to look for the color for the logo, you can just catch it up with this. You cannot take a screenshot of this video, then go to Pixellab and then use the color picker to get it. So I didn't actually show you guys the color over there. So I don't know if you understand what I'm saying. Just try to do that again, or you can rewind back. So you can just put in this rectangle there. So you can see at first the design is not actually good, but I'm going to assure you that by the end of the design you actually understand what I'm actually doing here fully. So you can just be able to like put in some rectangle there. I know why that rectangle is very important because it's just going to differentiate me between the wall and then the rectangle of the woman right now. So I'm going to be putting some sections on the rectangle because I need other things to display here, as you can see right now. So you can see how it is. So if you are new here, make sure that subscribe button, like this video and share the video. As you guys know, this is our one day this channel. We're doing nothing else. We just bring up designs you cannot create and then try to create it for ourselves. And I know how we can do. I leave it to you guys to continue. I don't know. So I don't need to put in the pictures right now, which imported. Just add more of them. Then you can just duplicate it. Then take this there again, increase it, and then you can see how it is. So I'll just put the scale right now and try to do the adjustment. So I was trying to give a gradient of it. As you can see, the design is actually getting shape. So it's for us to just put in text and other things, but you are going to need to wait. So, and if you discover right now, there are a lot of people on that design, and the concept of design has to do with air. So putting one person there for this design is not going to catch. That's actually putting up to like 4 different people as the main image. So you don't need to make something catchy that when people see your flyer, don't know, oh, it's here this person is selling, even without any other thing. So you cannot say that it was the logo that I used for the heading, the air studio. Don't know that, yeah, this girl sells air, or this guy sells air. So your flower has to stand out. That's the first thing users will see. So I'm not going to put in this kind of dildo at the back and then reduce opacity really well, so it doesn't actually show. As you can see, I'll reduce the opacity. Then you can see the way I actually put in the rectangle there. I'll just create another rectangle, double it. Then adjust it again and just lock it. So I actually using the red color because I need to know where it's positioned. So I'm not going to put another just make the icons white instead of making the boxes red. So if you discover right now they are not ready this design, So I'm actually breaking the law of design because I need to actually matching use color that actually fitting. But we actually made this design to be really will I say scammed, because I don't know any what is for it. It's because of those hairs on it. So I just have to like put the red in, because by the time you see it you'll be like, oh, there's other red in the design because of those hairs, but those are not red actually. I think they are dark brown. So I had to put the red inside because that's how actually going to catch the user attention. Oh, this is where the contact is and other things. So that is it, guys. I just put in the contact, put in WhatsApp contact, and then put in the location. So you can put in any other things there, as you can see. So I think this is actually good, and I think what actually come to the design. So if you benefited from the video, make sure that subscribe button, like this video, and share this video. It's very important, guys. Very important to like and share this video. So I'm able to do adjustment, as you can see right now, just in the baby wood, the wholesale, the retail, and then I'm able to make it black. Then I just adjust the left padding, just it again. So I'm using the font, then I'll be using the poppings. I'm just using this dot, as you can see. So I'll put in the baby wool. So you can just like duplicate this over and over again. So guys, you can just like adjust it again, adjust it, then save it. And then I'm going to put in something like an header font to be there, something like you are here for a product and it's a cosmetics, as you can see. I just put there so that I don't know that, yeah, this is what the person actually sells, but mainly we've actually showed what we sell. So I think we're actually done with the design. So if you need resources for this design, just check my Telegram community to be able to get it for yourself. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and like this video. And I'm definitely going to see you guys in my next video. Make sure you stay safe.